Here's one of the more popular year Mustangs out there, 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe. Of course, in 70 made the fastback convertible and coupe. The distinguished front end with the single headlight on each side. Markings that have become very popular over the years. This particular car is powered by a 302 underneath the hood. That's what it would have came with from Ford also. Very nicely equipped Mustang. Power steering, power brakes, and an air conditioning car. I have not had the AC blowing cold, but it has been converted, and it seems all the components are there when I start it up and show you underneath the hood. We'll take a look. There is also these dings in this front trim piece. There is an extra piece that will go with the car. As you can see, the paint does show its age some. It's got more of a flat finish than the bright luster that you'd have in a freshly repainted car or restored car. I'd say if you're looking for one to maybe have a little TLC with, still be able to drive it and kind of work on it as you go and improve it. This would be a nice car for that. It is a nice running car. It does have an automatic transmission paired with that 302. Seems to also be pretty solid. Take a look up and down the sides. You do have some nicks and scratches, of course, in the paint. There's a couple dings here and there in the back, but overall, not a bad two-door 1970 coupe. Black interior, vinyl buckets. See some little marks or little door dings there too. So obviously the paint is older, does show its age. Not perfect. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, under the hood, check out that engine bay, trunk. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can always call us if you'd like to inquire about this car, maybe ask about transportation, see what it'd take to get it to where you're at. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available also. So one little ding. Nothing terrible. Like I said, if you wanted to have a fun one to kind of work on and bring back to like it was when it was new, but still be able to drive it and have a little fun with it, I'd say this car definitely falls in that category. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Driver's seat could use a cover. Other than that, the vinyl seat's all in good shape. Headliner is in good shape. It's the straps you see from the shoulder belts up there. Door cards and everything seem to be good shape. Dash all stock. Does have the original Philco AM radio in there that does work. The wipers work. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out underneath the hood. Pretty smooth running 302. This car did sit in storage for a little while, so we pulled it out, put a new carb on it, did a little carb work to it. Stock dash and gauges. Slip around to the back so you can hear that run. About what you'd expect out of a stock 302 and a 70 Mustang. Slip up here. I'm going to pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay and see how smooth this engine runs. Check it out. Alright, here you go. Like I said, nice smooth running engine. There's the AC. See here it has been converted. Everything seems to be intact. Needs to be gone through. Something else I noticed when I was taking pictures earlier. Buck tag is still there. Some cool things. Again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Like to inquire about this car, we can help arrange transportation to your location. Financing is available, and we do consider trades. So give us a call, 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe, 302 powered with power steering, power brakes, and factory AC.